Divide 945 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 3 is 9. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down this 4 and 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 5 and it is 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. On subtracting we get 0. So 945 divided by 3 is 315. So this much for today and thanks for watching.